Ipinanganak ako sa ocean. To give great foods and business from the ocean. Ipinanganak ako sa farm. To give the great service in the city and in the provinces. Agresibo sa negosyo.
Century tuna.
Yes.
Yes, so
Oh, but maybe you can tell us a bit more of...
Maxiang Servicio. Hero Kapag, Nagsama si Tatang at si Tate. Maraming lalapit para sa bayan at ulam. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro.as Henry C. and a special celebrity guest Mr. King Gutierrez as Ricardo Poe. Ang Hari Nang Negosyo. At Ang Hari Nang Istang Negosyo. Kapag nabing with Ang Pinaka Malaking Ista sa Negosyo, studying the SM Hypermarket and SM Save More of Henry C. and his business connections with Ricardo Po, the Century Pacific food business that is selling in SM Supermalls, simulcast on Ninong TV August 10, 2024. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
What's up, all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching on Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And for today is another action of learning the businesses of your Tito Henry on this hour segment, Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. And it's been 1 month and more than a month or weeks na hindi tayo nakapag-show due to our film production of the Matalino Man at Matsing na Sunday. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanood and some of our revival shows on the Gentle Last Revival and some of the program that we created under by Ninong TV. Ngayon po ay nagbabalik ulit ang ating programa para sa ating mga estudyante at mga researcher to discover the 100 plus businesses of your Tito Henry. Na hindi lang po SM ang meron siya, kundi maraming
Marami ka pang bigas sa kakainin.
iba na kailangan natin ma-discover. And as of now, ay nasa 30 plus or 20 plus or 10 plus na lang yung ating mga mapag-aaralan at malapit na natin matapos tong chapter na ito so that educators, millennials na mahilig mag-shopping sa SM, di ba? Lalo na yung mga ngayon palang umusbong sa planetang ito, di ba? So parang ako lang nung bata ko, so punta lang ako ng punta sa SM, so hindi ko alam sino may-ari nito until nakita ko yung naka-model sa MOA na nakagaya ko nakakurbata na nakita ko noong 2008 na akala ko design lang nila. Siya pala ang may-ari, Mr. Henry C. Okay, so same thing sa ating mga manonood at mga estudyante, please subscribe so that you can discover our video blog that has a learning, diba? So the title of our video blog for today is kapag nabingwit ang pinaka-balaking isda sa negosyo. Studying the SM Hypermarket and SM Save More of Henry C. and his business connections with Ricardo Po, the Century Pacific food business that is selling in SM Supermalls. Oh, interesting ang ating video blog ngayon. Shout out At kaway-kaway sa mga mahilig sa Century Tuna. Especially, sinashoutout ko si Sister Ayako. Yan, mahilig yan sa Century. Okay. 555 sardines. Ayan, favorite ko rin yan. Oo, pang baon-baon, pang ulam-ulam. Tsaka yung San Marino, ay iba pala yun. Sorry. Hindi pala yun. Hindi kasali yung sa brand natin. It's under by CDO yan. Uy. Okay, so ito po yung mga product na under ng Century Food Pacific na isa sa mga business partner ng ating Tito Henry for through the years. Kaya mapapansin nyo, pag tayo magsha-shopping sa kanyang mga supermarket, hindi mawawala ang dilatang Century Pacific Foods. So we will have the business collab with Mr. Ricardo po and your very own Tito Henry in this segment. Pero syempre, pag-aaralan natin dito ang SM Hypermarket at yung ating SM Save More. Ayan, marami yan sa Save More at Hypermarket, yung mga paninda ni Sir Ricardo. And we will also have here, ito, special guest. Sa mga nagtatanong sino bang gaganap na Ricardo po. Not your ninong, because I portrait Henry, pero meron tayong special guest na makakasama. So, currently, he's an actor. Yes, he's an actor since 1980s. Bida kontra bida. Napapanood natin to sa FPJ's Batang Quiapo ni Coco Martin of ABS-CBN. Yan. And of course, isa rin siyang counselor ng aming bayan sa Bacoor, Cavite. He's a veteran actor at isa rin siyang members of MCGI dating daan. Mr. King Gutierrez. Ayan po, makakasama natin ang presence ni Mr. King bilang Sir Ricardo po na kanya na gaganapin sa ating programa. He will give us a life lesson in business and to real life. Being an actor, working in the action, so paano nga ba natin to gagampanan in real life? Of course, having a business is also an action, di ba? Kagaya ng Tito Henry nyo, action for business. Pero bago tayo pumunta sa exciting part, dito muna po tayo sa slide ng Tito Henry nyo. At ito po ang kanyang SM Hypermarket and SM Save More. Ayan, students, take down notes sa yung mga products and services ng inyong Tito Henry. So first of all, ano bang meron sa kanyang SM Hypermarket? Okay. It combines the convenience of a supermarket and department store. So yun po. SM Hypermarket, talagang makaka-hyper ka talaga dito. Kasi pagpunta mo pa lang sa SM Hypermarket, isa siyang grocery store or it can be in palengke in other words. Palengke na may aircon. Wow, social. Aircon. Palengke na may aircon. Kay Tito Henry nyo lang yan mapipil. So, SM Hypermarket. Okay, what I said, SM Hypermarket na may convenience store. O, halimbawa, meron kayo makitang store, tapos palengke, ipinagkaisa na ng Tito Henry nyo. So, yan po yung kanyang SM Hypermarket. Combines the convenience of a supermarket and department store. Supermarket na department store, convenience store pa. Okay? So, yun po. And we will have SM Save More. Ito, makakatipid tayo dito. So, sabi dito, it is an SM way of bringing in the SM shopping experience nearer, or yung malapit nearer, to where our shoppers live and work. Okay. It is a neighborhood store that prides itself on great merchandise selection, convenience, and excellent customer service. Instead of customers having to go to the mall, SM is now becoming part of our customers' neighborhood. So dito sa SM Hypermarket, yung palengke, tsaka yung kanyang convenience store, di ba nagkaisa, kaya hypermarket. So, nandun na yung pagkain, laruan, minsan may school supply, appliances, damit, lahat. So, dito naman sa SM Save More, ay nilalapit ka sa bahay nyo. Oh, di ba? Pag ikaw, halimbawa, tinatamad ka na or pagod ka na masyado or wala ka ng time pumunta sa ibang SM kasi malayo, traffic, don't worry. Kasi dito sa Save More, si Tito Henry na ang nag-a-adjust kung nasan ka man naroon. Kung nasa bundok ka, walang problema. May safe word na dyan sa labas ng bahay mo. Kung ano man ang kailangan mo, pagkain, damit, even appliances, meron na rin sila sa Save More. You can shop there. Diba? Kaya nga, halimbawa, kung ikaw ay taga SMDC, lalong-lalo na ito, kapitbahay mo lang yung Save More, SMD naman siya, doon ka na bumili ng pangangailangan mo. Halimbawa, kung you came from work, 9 p.m. ka na nakauwi, and then may pasok pa si Junakis, nagmamadali ka, wala ka ng time, you can go to Save More. Diba? Makasave ka pa ng pera, makasave ka ng energy, makasave ka ng panggasto sa pamasahe, or para makasave ka ng time. Diba? So, katabi lang ng inyong kapitbahay, or katabi lang ng other subdivision or other places, you can go direct to shop your essential. So, ganun po ang inyong Tito Henry. He is thinking the essential o kung paano mas mapapadali yung service. Kasi we truly understand naman na some of the SM is built in that particular places. Siyempre, kailangan nating mag-travel. Pero minsan ang Tito Henry nyo, siya na mismo yung nag-a-adjust para lang yumakap sa ating mga pangangailangan. At yan ang Save More, so that lalakad na lang kayo, bili-bili kayo ulam, instead na pupunta pa kayo sa SM, Save More na lang. Sa akin pa rin yan. Di ba? SM pa rin tayo. Okay. So, ito na nga po ang ating first episode, the SM Hypermarket and the Save More presentation for your Tito Henry. Check it out.
At your service!
I love shopping here. Everything is fresh.
Everybody's happy because everything is here for you. Happy to serve!
Wow, so many choices!
There's something for everyone.
Everybody's happy because everything is here for you. You deserve!
Ang galing puntahan at kayang-kaya ng bulsa.
Friendly service, wide selection, good value. Everything is here for you at SM Markets.
Okay, you've just witnessed our slide for your Tito Henry sa kanyang SM Hypermarket and Save More. And as you can see, nakapang-swimming ang nilog nyo. Kasi alam nyo na kung ano ang next episode na ito. Dahil sisisig tayo. Sisisig talaga. Sisisirin natin ang mga businesses ni Ricardo po sa Ocean. At sa kanyang Century Pacific Foods na meron si Mr. Ricardo po, so that we can learn is fish businesses na ating nakakain sa ating mga dilata at ating mga nababaho. So we will have the next slide for Mr. Ricardo po. Pero ano nga po nang ibig sabihin or ano yung introduction ni Mr. Ricardo po? So Ricardo po, founded Century Pacific in the Philippines, leading exporter of private label tuna products in 1978. So ito po yung kanyang businesses na mga delata, mga canned goods, na mga more on fish. Kagaya ng favorite ng Ninong niya, yung 555 Carne Norte, yung mga adobo, mechado, fritada, etc. At tsaka yung ating favorite na Century Tuna. So pag-aaralan natin ngayon kung ano nga bang businesses ni Mr. Ricardo po. Not only for that, I think he has now the banks, Security Bank, the Shaky Spoon, ayun, and other services. Together with the special slide of Mr. King Gutierrez as our Mr. Ricardo po. Dito na yan sa ating next slide. Let's read from the learnings of in Century Pacific po.
But the people will not stop buying your product, I guess, no? I'm thinking because people enjoy your product as well.
You mean Century Tuna?
Yes, yes.
Yes, so
But maybe you can tell us a bit more of the story of Century Tuna. It's such a big brand right now. But take us back to the roots when you were starting off, when they were starting off to grow the business. How did it come about?
actually our business started similar to Mr. Barcelon's. No? My father started the business B2B. It was an export business for tuna. Our technology partner was from Taiwan. We were basically taking the tuna from the Philippines and canning it and exporting it to different countries all over the world, mainly US, Europe, and Japan. So that was the start of the business. But as we found out soon enough, when it comes to being B2B, a lot of the value that at that time at least we could deliver was really on the pricing lang. So parang pababaan ng presyo palagi. And again, similar to Mrs. Shu, it becomes tiring and it's a downward spiral all the time. After you compete, somebody comes into the business, drop the price, and then the profitability starts going down. But so having seen that trend occurring already, we also decided that my father actually decided that we need to get out of this price strategy war. So we have to try to brand the business.
I'm in a new relationship. And no, it's not complicated. It's unlike any I've had before. I don't wait forever. Now, I get undivided attention. Never felt this special. There's this effort to know me personally. All my needs, what's best for me. This relationship is for keeps.
Switch to the new Security Bank. You deserve better.
Pahirapan! Sa 555 tuna, is dali na! Diretso na sa kanin! Rekta na! Rekta na! Rekta na! Ulam! 555 tuna, komplet tuna! Tuna at salsa, may gulay pa! Ulam favorites, rekta na! 555 tuna, is delicious!
Para saan ang lakas mo?
Para maalalayan ko ang bawat galaw niya.
para masuportahan ko ang mga pangarap niya.
Para di mapagod sa pagtulong sa kapwa. Superbots, palakas tayo for the people we love.
Eat right with Century Tuna.
Let's stay strong to love strong.
Join Century Tuna Superbots Love Strong 2022.
Ano po acting star and to become invest in working? Yung advice niya po.
Lakas ng loob, siyempre.
Opo, tsaka prayers. Prayer.
Yes.
Sir, pinapanood ko kayo Batang Quiapo. Grabe, ang lakas
Hello,
mo. Walang bukas.
Mga kapatid, saglit lang po. Magpipicture po tayo ng isang po.
Lalakas tayo in the world of
Kasama po si Roxani, si Brad Rudy, at saka po si Brad Aga.
Okay, you've just witnessed about Ricardo Po's slides, and thank you very much for our dear special guest, Mr. King Gutierrez. Talagang grabe, ang dami nating nasisid na businesses ni Mr. Ricardo Po, di ba? So, hindi lang pala Century Food, meron na rin siyang Shakey's, meron na rin siyang Security Bank, and other products and services for our dear people who serve the economy and the people, of course. Okay? And ito, the next episode na rin na ating mag-discover, Ricardo Po and Henry C. Tandem. Okay? Pero bagong lahat, magkakaroon muna po tayo ng commercial. At especially, nakapang-swimming ang inyong ninong. So, kailangan ko magbalik, transform into Henry C. Tandem. Okay? So, we will be right back after this short break. Pagpabalik po ang programa nating Henry C., the King of Philippine Business sa ating segment na kapag nabingwit ang pinakamalaking isda sa negosyo. We'll be right back. Mag-change outfit na ako na kasi nakapang-swimming ako. Okay.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
Okay. Time naman para pag-aralan natin ang inyong Tito Henry. Ayan. So, sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga nagtatanong, ang hindi natin alam, yung may-ari ng Grab Philippines. Dito, sa ating country, yung Grab Philippines. Ang may-ari pala nito ay si John Rockway. Mali. Si Manny Pangilinan. Mali na naman. Okay, eto na talaga. Tito Henry C. Wow! My goodness! So siya rin pala. At siya ang may-ari ng Grab Philippines dito sa Pilipinas. Ba? My goodness, tingnan nyo nga naman. Nagpa-franchise ang SM Super Mall of Mr. Henry C. Way back, mga 2014, 2013, nakita ko yung commercial ng Grab, yung parang may giganting mascot na sumasakay sa tricycle. Naghahanap ng masasakyan. Sa Grab lang pala siya makakasakay. Di ba? So, ang Grab po ay nagpa-franchise ang Tito Henry nyo in the SM Supermall. So that here in the Philippines, meron po tayong Grab. Grab is under by other country and the SM Supermall. At ngayon, eto na. Eto na ang pinaka top 1 business lodi ng lahat. Kilala nyo siya. Well, kilala nyo. At kilala ko din to. Siya ang habi ng negosyo pagdating sa pagninegosyo. The one and only may-ari ng SM. Wag na natin ito patagalin. Siya si Mr. Henry C. Yes. Siya po si Mr. Henry C. Ang idol ng lahat. At ang kanyang net ipon, 19.
Come on!
Sandali, hindi pa ako tapos. 19 billion! Diba? Laki mo. Henry C. is founded of the SM Group of Companies. In 1958, he started his own shoe business in Quiapo, Maynila. Oh, nandyan si Mayor Isko, where he repairs and sells shoes. His business grew so fast that he was able to establish a small store in the same venue. So, siya po ay napaka-idol ko rin to. Mas lalo rin ako na-inspire for this business person. Ito po yung mga business niya. Akala nyo SM lang. Well, nagkakamali kayo. Ako nga rin, hindi ko alam to eh. Pero meron siyang ibang businesses. Hindi lang po SM dahil gusto niyang tulungan ng lahat ng sambayanan. He has, especially the SM, is the owner of SMDC, BDO, China Bank, NU, FEU, at woo! Oh my goodness! Siya rin pala ang may-ari ng Conrad Hotel! Oh! Dun sa may MOA. Akala ko MOA at yung SMDC lang yung kanya.
Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
Okay, now your Ninong is came back again for an Henry C. attire. Diba? After sumisid ng Tito Henry nyo sa kanyang sisay. No? At maibigay lang ang ating mga needs and wants pagdating sa mga pagkain isda. Diba? So, na-discover nyo at na-discover ng Tito Henry nyo sa pagsisisid. Na-discover niya yung mga businesses na meron si Mr. Ricardo po, na napakarami niya rin mga fish businesses or yung tawag dito yung mga isinasangkap sa kanyang dilata na ibinabaon at ating kinakain sa araw-araw, occasionally, and especially pangbaon ng mga chikiting. Diba? Sisid talaga tayo para mag-provide natin yung mga pangangailangan ng mga student, taong bayan, ang ating mga parents, pangkulang, pangbaon, to provide what they needs and what they wants. Diba? Kaya ang Tito Henry nyo talaga nag-dive just to provide all of your needs and wants sa ating hypermarket and sa Save More. Okay, so ito na nga po yung ating exciting part. By the way, I just want to give thanks to our home partner and our new independent director of NTV and Ninong TV, si Ruhan Garing, sa kanyang paggawa ng mga slides through thumbnail. Kaya nakita nyo medyo nag-improve yung ating mga slides production of learning and discovering the businesses with picture, with moving object, with great slide effects. So thank you to Ruhan na tumulong siya, nag-apply siya sa ating Ninong TV to help us and to provide our good quality vlogs. Okay? So thank you, Ruhan, and of course, he is also my future president and CEO na hahawak ng ating Ninong TV. Kasi nakikita ko ang aking mga vlogs, no? Dumadami na pati subscriber. I just want to thank all of you. Naka-reach na rin tayo ng more than 600 plus and still counting So maraming salamat sa inyo. Pinag-pray ko kayo lahat, mga subscribers ko, na kayo din ay ma-bless in your working, education, in your everyday life, di ba? Kayo rin ay ma-bless. Salamat po, and naway you're enjoying the good quality vlogs made by NTV through Ninong TV. Okay. And next naman yan, magiging chairman ng Ninong nyo, nakahawak ng ating programa if we reach the 1K subscriber. Diba? Winiwish natin lahat yan. And kapag dumating ang panahon na yon, I will extend my service to help and tutulungan natin yung mga nangailangan, our parents, our people, economy. We will help all of that when the Ninong TV reach for 1K. Kaya yan ang ating goal at pag-pray magkatotoo. So that if we have the monetary service, we can serve more people. And even future students and new future leaders na hawak ng ating Ninong TV. Diba? O yan. So hindi ko naman kakabugin ng Tito Henry nyo. Chairman lang to ng Ninong TV. Okay. So, speaking of Tito Henry, ito na nga. We will have the special slide of Mr. Ricardo Po and Henry C. Tandems in business. So, makikita natin ang kanilang hard work at ang mga products ng Century na nakapaskil at binibenta sa SM Supermalls. Kaya nga nag-dive ang Tito Henry nyo just to provide all of the Century foods na kailangan nyo, di ba? Ako na nagbili and then bibili nyo na lang din. Dinive na ng Tito Henry nyo just to have your food from Ricardo Po. So you will check it out. The Henry C. and Ricardo Po tandem in business.
My happiness lies in eradicating poverty. Within my reach from your Henry C., giving you the best tomorrow to serve our people and its economy. And thank you to you, Ricardo Poe, for working with you, Anne, to enjoy the shoppings on your products.
Visionary entrepreneur, brilliant brand innovator, devoted husband, inspiring father, doting grandfather today. To the Century Pacific Group from your Ricardo Poe, giving you my secret ingredients of great taste for business and life. And thank you, Sir Henry C., for having me on your stores to sell my products and services on your SM for through the years.
Okay, you've just witnessed Ricardo Poe and Henry C. sa kanilang business tandems. You discover their great effort to serve the people and the economy and to provide what they need and what they want. Pang baon, pang snack, minsan pang pulutan. Diba? O huwag kayong open. Totoo naman yun. Pagka minsan meron tayong mga celebration nila, hindi natin maiwasan na tangkilikin at bilhin yan. Lalo na pag ano ba yung masarap doon na yung spicy, yung sisig. 555 sisig, di ba? And you also discover a while ago yung ating mga model na talagang nag-dive din. So, nag-dive din si Kuya Alden nyo. Para lang makapagbigay ng mga foods from Century and also a fitness inspiration. Promoting also the healthy lifestyle, okay, that he can give. So after all of our presentation, syempre hindi pa huli at ito kailangan natin lahat. As we feel blessed from the Lord in Jesus, syempre what we have from our life, especially in business, kailangan din natin tumulong sa mga higit na nangangailangan. Okay, the CSR portion of your Henry C. and Ricardo Poe. How the SM Save More and Hypermarket do their CSR, and how Ricardo Poe of his Century Pacific do the CSR. So, hindi lang naman ito puro isda. So, ano nga ba yung pwede nilang ibigay sa atin at sa ekonomiya, sa mga mahirap, at sa mga higit na nangailangan. Okay, we will check it out on our CSR of Ricardo Poe and Henry C. Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating programa. Kapag nabingwit ang pinakamalaking isda sa negosyo, studying the SM Hypermarket and SM Save More of Henry C. and his business connections with Ricardo Po and Century Pacific Food Business that is selling in SF Supermall. So maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanood at tumangkilik at taki-swimming sa akin. Nakiswimming din sa kung anumang business ang meron ang inyong Sir Ricardo, not only the Century Foods, not only the 555, Argentina, whatsoever, pero meron na rin pala siyang Shakey's. Ang tagal-tagal na natin, my goodness, from what I said. Ang tagal-tagal na natin kumakain sa Shakey's. Akala natin, Amerikano may-ari. Yun pala, si Mr. Ricardo po lang pala. Diba? Our very own Philippine local products. Support local because we are also promoting great products, world class na gawa ng ating mga magigiting na Pinoy businessman. Diba? Shakey's is also owned by Mr. Ricardo po. Kaya palang sarap ng isda nila. Ang sarap ng chicken spaghetti kasi kasama yan sa sampat ni Mr. Ricardo na magbigay ng great satisfying sa tuwing tayo ay makakabisita sa Shakey's. Okay? Hindi lang yan. Ayan, sa mga may bangko, shout out. Security Bank, ayun. Kanya din po yun. Okay. So, he has Security Bank para ma-secure yung pera natin. Labanan ng mga scammers, yung mga magnanak. Diba? Secure talaga ang protection. O kapag minsan sarado yung Security Bank, okay, dito Henry yun muna. Dapiti o chat na pa. Pero of course, Security Bank has a lot of branches naman. It can be online also. Diba? Pag choice nyo naman yan, kasi business collab naman tayo dito, learning the legacy of Mr. Ricardo and Mr. Henry to serve our people and the economy. So, high five tayo dyan, Ricardo Po and Henry C. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and buy this vlog for only 150 and 80 pesos for screen record. So, i-PM nyo lang po ako kung paano po siya ma-update. Alright? So, hindi nyo naman na kailangan mag-swimming pa. Just open your cellphone. You chat me and then open your Gcash so that we can talk for that. Okay? Maraming salamat po. And see you for my another video vlog. Goodbye and thank you.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at kayo'y nagsidalo sa gabi ng palabas ko. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at tayo'y nagkaniig kahit konting sandali. Sa harap